Bad breakups may bruise you. You may feel like you're limping, you're knocked down, you're defeated. Listen to me. Those bad breakups cannot break you. I came here to remind you right now, you were sent to my channel, my episode right now, to remind you that that bad breakup can never, will never defeat you. If you're new here, welcome into my podcast. This is the Thrive with Grace podcast. I'm your founder, Kat, and I am so pleased and honored to have you here with me today. Today, we are going to talk about how breakups may bruise us. We may feel defeated and just like we want to give up. But I want to encourage you in this episode to say that you are not forgotten. You may be broken, but sweetheart, you will heal. Just keep on living. Listen to me. Please make sure to like and share this with someone that you know who needs this type of encouragement. Whether you're going through a divorce, a heartbreak, a disappointment, it does not matter. I want you to share this with a loved one because I want to encourage as many people as possible because you're looking at a testimony right now. I've gone through several breakups, several heartaches, and I'm sorry to even say it like that, but it's life. And I want to use my life as a testimony to say that if I can heal, if God can restore me and repair me and redefine me, then He can absolutely do the very same for you. That breakup that I had wasn't the end for me. Now, while it felt like the end, it was actually the beginning of my story because I didn't think that I would be where I am today. Today, I am proud. I stand before you. Yes, I'm divorced, but that does not define me. That is not who I am. I am now a business owner. I'm a wonderful mother of two, and I am here with this podcast that I never would have had. I never would have started had I not had that breakup and that heartbreak happen. Did my husband leave me? The answer is yes. At the end of the day, he's the one that filed the paperwork. What I thought would happen did not happen. But nevertheless, that doesn't mean that my story has ended. That means that God has another purpose for my life. And I'm here to tell you that He has the absolute same for you. I don't care if you were laid off, let go from your job. I don't care if you're going through a health crisis right now, your children are being disrespectful, they've left you, you feel abandoned. I'm here to tell you that that heartbreak does not define you and that God has so many better things in store for you, that He can heal you. He can redefine that situation. He can renew and heal that relationship. He is a God of wonderful miracles, so many blessings that He has delivered and given to me. So many situations He has delivered me from. I can't even really begin to tell it all, but I just want to encourage you that while you feel broken, you will never be defeated. God is too great. What He's doing is using your story as a testimony for other individuals that have gone through situations that are similar to yours. You'd be surprised how many people have gone through divorce or a heartbreak or breakup that have actually reached out to me and asked me, Kat, how did you do this? How did you do that? You look like you're doing so great. You're doing so swell. Sweetheart, because I am. Because I'm not the definition of my past. I have forgiven myself just like God has forgiven me. I have learned to show myself the grace that I deserve. I'm not greater than God. If God can forgive me, who am I to not be able to forgive myself? I'm not the definition of my past, and neither are you. Sometimes we go through life because, listen, we need a wake-up call. Those bruises that you have, I know you feel like you've been beat up. You got a black eye, you got a bruise on this arm, that arm. You got a punch, a gut to the stomach. I get it. But those bruises, will heal. Those bruises are there to give you that wake-up call to say, wake up, cat, you're going down the wrong path. Wake up, cat, that's not the way I want you to go. You need to have a wake-up call very often. And sometimes, like I said, they are a testament to your strength and how much you're going to trust and believe God. Are you going to trust and believe that He is going to deliver you from this heartbreak? Are you going to trust and believe God that He is going to heal you? I'm here to remind you to trust Him. Do not put your trust in man, because man will fail you. They are human. They are not perfect. You need to trust God. There's a song that says, my hope is built on nothing less than Jesus, His blood and His righteousness, okay? On Christ, the solid rock I stand. You're standing on Christ. He is the solid rock. You cannot continue to live your life through the eyes and view of a man. This is your wake-up call right here today. Although you are bruised, you are not to be defeated. Those bruises heal, and I promise you, you will too. You just need to keep on living and keep on fighting and keep on trusting God. Allow Him to carry those burdens for you. Okay, leave those burdens at the altar. And I'm reminded, it just came to me right now, if you're gonna pray about it, then sweetheart, do not worry about it. Learn to trust God. Learn to trust and believe that the path that He has set for you is the path that you need to be on. Now, I put together a podcast, a few episodes back, that were some affirmations that I want you to apply to your life. But I have some affirmations for you in this episode that I also want you to apply to your life. The first one says, I am capable of being loved. I am worthy of being loved. I want you to say that with all the force and the strength that you can muster up. I know you may be broken right now. You may be a little bruised. You may feel like, hey, they coming at me. I'm in a corner right now, cat. But I want you to remind yourself that I am capable of being loved, that I am worthy. I want you to remind yourself of that. I want you to tell yourself, I may be broken right now, but my healing is right around the corner. I want you to repeat that. I may be broken right now, but my healing is right around the corner. Say this with me. I am not stuck. I am moving forward. Look at yourself in the mirror when you're saying this now. I am not stuck. I am moving forward. This last one just hits home for me. I am not finished. God is not through with me yet. I am not finished. God is not through with me yet. I want you to believe and trust God with all of your might, all of your soul, all of your spirit when you're saying these affirmations. I want you to continue to pray, continue to have faith, continue to trust God, knowing that He has never left you, that you are not abandoned, that you are not forgotten, and that God loves broken people. Don't isolate yourself, okay? Get yourself in an environment, in a space where there is nothing but positivity. I am a safe space coach, specifically put here for you. Utilize me. Join my community, join my team. I have courses, I have a divorce recovery workbook that I put together especially for my divorcees. But listen, I work with those who have heartbreak, those who have business situations that they want to discuss and work through. Contact me anytime at twgspace.com. It's Thrive with Grace. And I'm here to help you, to support you in any way that I can. So I hope that this episode was a blessing for you. Please make sure, if you haven't already, share this with someone that you know that needs it, someone that you love, someone that needs encouragement and needs this message right here, right now, today. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. And remember, I love you and God loves you too.